Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be installing the power supply and our storage drives for the computer build. So my father-in-law actually had these lying around unopened. Here's a 750 watt power supply. And he's got a couple of terabyte storage drives I'm going to throw in there. I have a solid state system drive at home that I'm going to end up installing in the next video. But today we'll put these guys in. Before we get started, I did do a couple things in between videos. One was that I had to pull the motherboard out and completely reseat it. I did not tighten the standoff screws well enough, which attached the motherboard to the case. And the problem with that was that I wasn't able to attach the back plate and have it fit. So without the standoff screws all the way down, this back plate wasn't aligned with the ports. So I had to pull that out and redo it. And the other thing I did was go ahead and connect all of my case wiring to the motherboard. So that's the front panel action, the USB ports, and then all the way down in the corner there is, I don't know if you can see it, is a fan, case fan plugged into the motherboard. So this is not a fully modular power supply. Some of the cables are hardwired into there, but it's got some modular ports on there, which is nice. So there's a cutout that goes to the other side of the case here that I'm going to need to pull all of these cables through. So I'm going to flip the case up vertical, pull off the back panel, and install this like that. So now that I've got this thing seated, I need to attach it to the case.
Fire this thing up now that I've got the power supply in.
Here's my main power to the motherboard, which I've already pulled through the back. And there's my first drive. So here's my hard drive trays for storage. Pretty cool, they just pop in and out. There's a terabyte of storage right there. Okay, so you can see the 4 silver mounting holes are going to go through these 4 holes with these rubber bumpers on them. Now, go around to the other side. So here's our motherboard connector, and here's the power connector. Hard drive is going to plug into the motherboard on the front right here. The power is going to go into power supply. Like that. There we go. 2 hard drives connected. Alright, I think that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.